Hello again. Today I've decided to try another triple stack bottle bottom pour with reverse dip. I've got my 3 bottle bottoms already on there, and I'm doing minimal colours this time. I'm going to be doing black, white and pink to do a flower, and then use my piece of table napkin on it for a reverse dip. So I will start by putting the colours together. I'm not telling you the brands or the colour names because they're just mixes of what I've got left. New Zealand are hopefully coming out of lockdown next week, but it's still going to be very restricted, so I'm being as careful as I can with my paints. So I will start and pour on these bottle bottoms. Those colours are looking pretty good now. My base coat colour is gold mixed with white, and now I'm going to use my stick to make my embellishments, and then I am going to put the damp table napkin over this to do the reverse dip. That is really pretty. Oh, it's smudgier than I had hoped for, but then I had a very wet piece of paper towel, and this of course is where it really shows up. The difference is in those bubbles when they get popped and the pretty patterns they make on the flower itself. And when I've done this, I'm going to tilt it to spread it out a little across the paint to see what my finished result will be. Right, it is very pretty. I'm very pleased with that. I wasn't sure about just using those three colours together, but now I'm very glad that I did. So I will tilt it. That's come out very nicely. The flower has spread very well across the canvas. I've got little bare patches here which I will fix up later, which are part and parcel of using a damp napkin, I find, when I'm lifting the paint. But overall the flowers come out beautifully, and I'm really pleased with those colours together. They're very pretty, although I haven't really got a centre, and I'm not sure about having a centre on here. I think I would probably choose there by just using my spatula lightly here to bring those lines in and make a little more definition. I might just be able to make it look a little more like a flower with more defined petals to it. And give it a little bit of a swirl here, which kind of gives it a bit more of a centre definition. So that's it. I'm not going to fiddle around with it anymore. I'll bring it up to the camera slightly into the light so that you can see what it looks like a bit closer up, and how pretty those colours really are on that canvas. And of course, you know me well enough by now, if you've been watching my videos, to know that I really do love making these flowers. And the best thing for me, of course, is that they use minimal paint while I'm unable to source any new supplies. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.